Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for July. This month's theme is Passport to Glow. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam Bag design features a baby pink drawstring bag with yellow florals. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser, Keys Soul Care Protect Your Light Moisturizer, Seraphine Botanicals Periwinkle and Pop Soft Sculpting Blush, Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlighter, and the Catano Beaute Hydrating Lip Glaze. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Rose and Quartz Muse Mask, African Botanicals Mineral Cleansing Mask, Volition Overnight Retinol Serum, Laura Geller Seasonless Staples Wildflower Wishes Eyeshadow Palette, and the Pear Nova Liquid Eyeliner. Now that we unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and using the Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. This 15 milliliter sample size retails for $6. This is a very rich formula, so a little goes a long way, and I really like that it contains hyaluronic acid to seal in moisture. After that, I'm trying the African Botanics Mineral Cleansing Mask. This is the most expensive product this month for $85. It's designed to help with pollution, skin congestion, redness, and uneven skin tone with advanced age-defying actives, nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. This is burning a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it pretty much right away because I don't want to put anything on my skin that will irritate it. And since it does have quite a few active ingredients, I'm going to skip over trying that retinol product today. Next, I'm using the Keys Soul Care Protect Your Light Moisturizer. This has SPF 30, so it's not only a moisturizer, but also a sunscreen. Let's see if it will blend into the skin and not leave a white cast. Even though it is pretty white at first, it blends invisibly into the skin. Now let's take a look at the Laura Geller Seasonless Staples Wildflower Wishes Eyeshadow Palette. This 14-pan palette retails for $25. Let's swatch it. It's giving kind of a mix between spring and fall. First, I'm picking up the shade Magnolia. I'm applying this to my crease. Just moving my brush in circular motions to blend that. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Zinnia. I'm adding this to my outer V and sweeping it through the crease. Now that I've cut the crease, I'm dipping into the shade Aster. I'm using this to fill in the area I cut out. Now let's try the Pear Nova Liquid Eyeliner. It's really dark, a bit shiny, and it looks like it bleeds a little bit. I'm just going to line my lash line with this and kind of take it at a bit of an angle over here in the outer corner. The formula is just right on this. It's not too wet or too dry, so it's super easy to use. After that, we have the Seraphine Botanicals Periwinkle and Pop Soft Sculpting Blush. It has this lovely flower imprint. This is in the shade Seashell. I love the color. It's perfect for summer. Next, I'm using the Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlight. This is the travel size in nude. The color is great for a naturally brightening effect. This could easily fake a full night's rest. Finally, I'm applying the Catano Beaute Hydrating Lip Glaze. This is in the shade Blush. It doesn't have any pigment to it, so I'm just going to apply it on top of another lip product. This is great for adding a glossy finish just to any lip look. Here's the finished look using products from both the July Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.